Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nash. Hi you guys. And I love to create fashion content on this channel and share inspo. So if that's something you're interested in, please smash that subscribe button. Just smash it so you never miss my next upload. Okay, so in this video today, I'll be sharing with you guys some day to night looks. And I've chosen 3 main items. I've chosen a summer dress, a t-shirt, and a bodysuit. Yes! So please stick around and see how I style them. Now let's begin. The one I'm going to start with is this t-shirt from Mango. I feel like a striped t-shirt is known to be worn every summer. For my day look, I'll be pairing it with these shorts that I got from Primark. They are one of my absolute favorite shorts I own. It's also loose fitting around the thighs, so I feel very comfortable wearing it throughout the day. To complete this look, I'm going to wear my loafers because I love the way it adds a bit of chicness to this look, and of course some summer accessories to elevate this look. For my night look, I will be adding a black blazer, preferably a long line blazer, so that from behind it comes off as a blazer dress. Then some accessories, my strappy sandals, and my Gucci bag, which I've shortened the straps to make the look less casual for a nighttime look. Moving on to my next item, and this dress is from H&M, which I previously posted in my Zara and H&M haul. But I absolutely love this dress, and I love the big polka dots. It makes the dress so vibrant and so fit for summer. I also think that this would be nice paired with my white sneakers and a nice summer bag, and this hat that I got from Stetson's. It makes me feel oh so cool. I just love to pair hats with my looks, especially during summer, because it always makes a simple look seems more interesting. For my night look, I'll be scrunching up the sleeves way up to my shoulders to give off a puff sleeve look, because it looks much more chicer this way and slightly unnoticeable from earlier before. Plus I'll add this belt from Topshop, this earring from Zara, and my brown pumps, which add a bit of monochrome feel to this look. I'll also bring my dance bag, and sure, I'll be ready for a dinner date in a nice fancy restaurant somewhere. My next item is this bodysuit, which is now a classic piece to have. This bodysuit is from Zara. This fit is amazing, and I love this color because it looks great on my skin, and I also find this color very sophisticated. I'm going to be wearing my favorite jeans from Levi's. This is the wedgie fit, plus it's high-waisted, which I find very flattering for my small frame. Gonna pop on my slip-ons for my walkabout and this big basket bag. This look would be great for a quick picnic day out with friends or family. And for my night look, I'll be putting on this belt for a bit of shape at the waist and my nude strappy sandal from Stuart Weitzman. Gonna take this Johnny bag again from Dance. This look is perfect for the weekends to meet up with friends for a few drinks, dinner, and maybe a bit of a dance. That's all the looks from me today that you can take from day to night. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.